Ayan guys, update lang ulit. So yan, update guys, and update lang. So don't check 530 50 503 503 03 503 guys. Yan 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 guys, yan guys, yan lang yan. Philippines, yan 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 ayan lang guys, yan yan guys, ang dulo.